प्रधानमंत्री मोदी की अमेरिका यात्रा पर अमेरिका के भारतीयों में खुशी का माहौल है। इसी के तहत भारतीय समुदाय के एक सदस्य ने कहा है कि मैं प्रधानमंत्री मोदी को देखकर बहुत उत्साहित हूं। उन्होंने भारत में अद्भुत काम किया है। उनके द्वारा भारत को फिर से महान बनते हुए देखना अद्भुत है। आइए सुनते हैं क्या कुछ कहा भारतीय समुदाय के लोगों ने।
Yes, Namaste. My name is Madhav Sumani. I'm a software engineer here. I live in Seattle. I work there. I've been super excited to see Modi, to be honest. He has done amazing work in India. The bullet train initiatives, the electrification of railway network, Pakka Makan, Swachh Bharat. मैं नागपुर में रहता हूँ, so metro over there, Nitin Gadkari sir. It has been amazing to see this man revolutionary make India great again, and I really love his aura and his energy when he comes. And I would love to meet him tomorrow when he comes. Day after tomorrow, yes.
I belong to a very small city in India. It's called Mathura, which is the birthplace of Lord Krishna. But the fact that he's coming all the way from there to here is very, very exciting. And I'm looking forward to him enabling easier immigration for people here. The Indian diaspora making our lives easier with, visas and being able to travel back to the world, bringing more investments back to India, more opportunities for students to come here to the US. So basically, making it easier and easier day by day for both the countries, US and India. And I would love for him to make policies where even US students can go to India and learn whatever they want, because there is so much in India also to learn about. So yes, very excited, looking forward to the new policies they make.